Greetings, I am Anirudhyani and this is the solution by Decoders for Manthan Hackathon. This is the idea introduction and the title is Face Recognition from Surveillance Systems. The tech stack that is used is Python and Jupyter Notebook. The resources used are the documentations on the web and the research paper and theses based on facial recognition. Third-party APIs and services are used for the solution. Ideas and outcome. The technologies used in this project will be used for recognizing and analyzing multiple inputs and running them through an existing database, as well as for real-time surveillance. Implementation will be largely similar to the original problem statement. The approach towards this idea would be to first analyze the given image or a video so that it can detect the faces. Next, it will compare these detected images in the database in order to recognize the individual. The way we targeted the problem was with the objective of reducing crime rates, facial recognition for organization and corporates, and to increase the usability of the surveillance system that is already in use. The innovations and the features that are added by us would be to include the face recognition in the existing surveillance system and to include object tracking. The functional requirement that would require an upgrade would be the hardware, that is the cameras and the hardware systems that it is running on. This is the team. The development pipeline is as follows. Firstly, uh, the face recognition through different angles will take place through the different cameras that would be uh, accessed. Then it will lead to feature extraction. Feature extraction basically means a computer generated model of the face, which would help to understand the eyes, nose, and other facial features. Lastly, it will lead to face recognition. So the computer generated image would be compared with the image that is present in the database in order to match the faces. The documents that will be prepared for installation and evaluation would be a project synopsis and also an installation and execution guide. Here is the GitHub repository for the solution. The APIs that are used for the solution are Keras, TensorFlow, OpenCV, and Deepface. The proposed UI and the function flow would be the selection of the image, which will lead to the detection page. Here, the face would be detected and a computer generated model would be made. This photo then will be scanned into the database, and finally it would lead to facial recognition where the photos are kept side by side in order to recognize whether the computer generated photo is the photo in the database or not. The vision for the innovation. So we pursued this issue with the idea of having a surveillance system that could speed up the process of justice. The research we conducted revealed that there are many other possibilities related to facial recognition and criminal tracking. The time that it will take for the final conversion of a final product would be 6 months so that it could develop the minimum viable product, that is the MVP. The idea that we have is quite different from others in the form that we are including face detection through surveillance systems, and also it will include like enhanced security and biometrics. An early stage innovation that was detected while developing the solution was that we observed that the face detection was accurate with the right software and hardware, and that the project is highly scalable in a number of ways in a number of places. Thank you and have a nice day.